in the main bag, open it where the crisps are.
This place?
Yeah, open the bag where the crisps are, open it fully. Right, now put your hand at the back.
Alright.
And you'll find some wood.
What the?
Okay, there's 2 in there. Can you get the other one? Can you get the other one out as well? Have you got it?
No.
Hang on, let me come and get it.
What the fudge?
What the fudge? That one's got kangaroos on it.
Australia!
Did you not know I had boomerangs in my bag?
Never.
I've been carrying them for ages, looking for somebody to throw them. Okay, shall I show you how to throw them?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Watch it, Ollie. Ollie, watch your head. It's coming back. Yeah. Right, so you need to throw it up at an angle.
Do it again.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Pascal, watch for the boomerang. So I don't want to hit you. Ah! Throw it into the wind. Make sure the wind's on your face, Ollie, and get ready to jump out of the way. Towards the wind. The wind's blowing that way. That way. Throw it that way. That's it. Straight and go. Throw it up. Whoa! 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 That was fabulous. Whoa! You did it so well, sweet boy.
I almost hit you.
You did. It nearly took my head off.
I can't breathe. Wait, let me try again.
Here it goes. It's going up. Oh, it's coming down. They landed together. Whoa! You're getting good at this. Whoa! You're getting better at getting it to come back. Come over this way, Ollie, so it's away from the people. Oh, too close. Bring it over here, Ollie. Oh, it got very close. Okay, that'll do. Whoa, well done.
Perfect.
Do it again, go back to where you were.
No, from here.
Yeah, but it might hit me. It's stuck in the ground. Yeah, clean the tip off.